Hello students, in this video we are going to simplify a nice radical problem. Here is square root of 8 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 16 and divide by square root of 3 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 16 plus square root of 18. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here square root of 8 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 16 divide by square root of 3 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 16 plus square root of 18. Square root of, we can write this 8 as a product of 4 times 2 plus square root of this 12 is 4 times 3 plus square root of this 16 is 4 times 4 and divide by square root of 3 plus square root of 6 is 2 times 3 plus square root of 16 is 4 times 4 plus square root of 18 is 9 times 2. Now we know that square root of a times b is equals to square root of a times square root of b. According to this rule, we can write here square root of 4 times square root of 2 plus square root of 4 times square root of 3 plus square root of 4 times 4 is 4 square divide by square root of 3 plus square root of 2 times square root of 3 plus square root of 4 square plus square root of 9 times square root of 2. Square root of 4, and we know that square root of 4 is 2. So this is 2 times square root of 2. 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 4 is 2 and here square root of 3. This is 2 times square root of 3 plus, and here square root is cancelled out by this square, then you will get 4 plus 4 and divide by, in denominator part square root of 3 plus square root of 2 times square root of 3. Square root of 3 plus square root of 2 times square root of 3. Square root is cancelled out by this square, then here 4 plus square root of 9 is 3 times square root of 2. 3 times square root of 2. Look carefully in numerator part. If we take common 2, because 2 is common factor, if we take common 2, then 2 times square root of 2 divided by 2, then you will get square root of 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 divided by 2, then you will get square root of 3 plus 4 is divided by 2, then you will get 2. And in denominator part, square root of 3 plus square root of 2 times square root of 3 plus, we can write this 4 as a sum of 2 plus 2 plus, and we can write 3 times square root of 2 as a sum of square root of 2 plus 2 times square root of 2. In numerator 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2 and divide by Now first we will write this square root of 2 plus and this square root of 3 plus and this 2, and then we will write square root of 2 times square root of 3 and 2 times square root of 2, and here we have 2, and we can write this 2 as a product of square root of 2 times square root of 2. Now in numerator 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2, and in denominator part square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2, and here square root of 2, square root of 2, square root of 2. Square root of 2 is common factor. If we take common square root of 2, then you will get square root of 3 plus 2 plus square root of 2. In numerator 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2, and divide by square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2 plus square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2. In numerator 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2, and divide by here square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2 is common factor. If we take common square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2, then you will get here 1 plus square root of 2. Now this and this factor are cancelled out to each other. In numerator 2 over, we can write 1 plus square root of 2 is same as square root of 2 plus 1. Now here we will multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 2 minus 1 and divide by square root of 2 minus 1. In numerator 2 times square root of 2 minus 1, and in denominator square root of 2 plus 1 is multiplied by square root of 2 minus 1. In numerator 2 times square root of 2 minus 1, and in denominator we will apply this identity, a plus b is multiplied by a minus b, and this is equals to a square minus b square. This square root of 2 is behaves like a, and this one is behaves like b, and this square root of 2 is behaves like a, and this one is b. So this expression is look like a plus b times a minus b, and this is equals to a square minus b square. So in denominator part we will apply this rule, and we can write here square root of 2 square minus 1 square. In numerator 2 times square root of 2 minus 1. In denominator part square root is cancelled out by this square root, then you will get here 2. Minus 1 square is 1. In numerator 2 times square root of 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1, and this is same as 2 times square root of 2 minus 1. Now this 2 is multiplied by inside the bracket, then you will get 2 times square root of 2 minus 2. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.